Next, securing ICMP services. So what is the ICMP services in general? ICMP is basically Internet Control Message Protocol, which we discussed about on first date, day one protocol, where you may be pinging. Ping is also based on the ICMP protocol. Ping IP address. Ping IP address. So even in switches, so like such as host unreachable, this ping command, this ICMP is a very good protocol. It can do redirect and it can also do mask reply. See, host unreachable. This host unreachable is command because in the similar when you're talking to here, if somebody is pinging here, pinging to a particular email, whether email server is available or not. Suppose let's say this email is not available at that time. So generally this ping command the attackers will do to identify the routing address, the address of this particular email, public IP address. So, but these all DMG servers are behind the firewall. So on, if suppose this particular email server is not there, and if you wanted to give it, this router itself, the router or switch itself is give a message like unreachable. Otherwise, this router can transfer to redirect to some other DMG network like this separate network instead of internal network. So this is generally you need to understand that while you are requesting, you use SYN packet. Ping packet is sends SYN packet, or you are pinging to web service. But when reply, if that web service is not there, it uses SMTP. And while accessing HTTP protocol, you will do the three-way handshake SYN, NAC, SYN. Once HTTP is not available, so you will get SMTP. SMTP message is coming back, then means you need to understand there is a firewall switch in between, so that firewall is responding instead of HTTP web server. So that is what the beauty they designed, and SMTP unreachable also thing. So it is also masking a kind of web server, and it's not sharing web server details and forwarding only from the switch firewall itself as well as a web server. For that, securing, you can secure these ICMP services. How do you configure? Let's say if your command has cdac config hyphen ash. The ash is basically the root command. Interface E0. So then once you've given this command, this cdac config will go into the interface mode where you have to type no IP directed broadcast. Directed broadcast. So that means it won't allow the broadcast, it won't reveal the IP address and other things. So this you can no IP unreachable command also, you can no IP unreachable command also you need to give it the parallelly. Then exit or yes, we said you wanted to make it in a mask also. No IP mask reply. Otherwise it's masks. So exit no IP direct. The fourth one is no IP redirect. So for this configuring these switches, these three types of messages you have to make to secure ICMP communication. No IP directed broadcast, no IP unreachable, no mask reply, no redirect. and come finally exit.